Let's go.
Oh, that feels good.
I know, isn't it?
I
I've
like
just
that.
been in here like preparing myself so I don't get hot outside so fast.
Okay, hello everybody. This is the Elusive Panda, and we are here with model and artist Kelly. I'll put a link somewhere to her Instagram. Would that be good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
You might remember Kelly from some of the previous videos. The very first video, the Spooky Woods photo shoot, which was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was.
And then the underwater pool shoot, which is in the pool right outside. And that was very difficult.
Yeah, Brian killed it. I was kind of drowning.
So I've got to ask you, between the 90-degree temperatures in the woods and the mosquitoes, and then drowning in the pool and all the difficulty with that, why are you trying to make this so hard?
You know, you just got to keep it interesting, man, you know?
It's going to be interesting because we have yet another unusual and sort of technically difficult shoot tonight. We are going to do some long exposure, sort of light painting style
Russian
with
grip flow fans.
flow fans, yes. So these fans have LEDs in them, which we are going to use for the light painting. You'd like to demonstrate that by turning it on?
Oh, yeah, I can definitely do that.
Lots of options for colors. We're going to make some beautiful trails with different movements. It's going to be really cool. Now the tough thing is trying to balance the extreme brightness of the LEDs in this fan with actually getting good shots of Kelly, since it's got to be very dark for these LEDs not to be too bright, but we don't want it so dark we can't see our beautiful subject, right? Why don't you tell me a little bit about this technique and this style and where it comes from and how you got interested in it?
Well, I got interested in it at a music festival. A lot of people have flow toys, and you see hoops all the time and the poi, and I saw this girl with some fans, and she just looked killer. Like, she just looked like a sorceress, and I just remember watching her, and I was like, man, I really want to learn how to do that. Mm-hmm. So I did some research online and learned there's like 2 different kinds of grips. I have the Russian style grip, which is a big open circle, and then there's a doodle grip, which is for like 2 fingers, and it's very small, and you spin it on your fingers instead of your whole hand. Anyways, I kind of learned about some stuff, and I went and got some fans, and I just watched a bunch of YouTube videos. A lot of them were in Russian, and just kind of figured it out by turning the speed down really low on the YouTube videos and like watching them do it slowly, and I practice in my room, and it's just a lot of fun, and it's a lot of fun to have some way to, you know, participate with music. Or just interact with music in some sort of way, because I was never a dancer.
Neat.
Yeah.
Well, tell me about this outfit, which is really amazing. So is there a vibe or like sort of a theme to it?
Dark sorceress.
Dark sorceress. That's going to work really well with the fans. So we're going to set up some stuff. I'll set it up first outside. It's still very hot here in Texas, so I'll set some things up before Kelly has to suffer in the heat. See you soon.